All right, hello and good morning to all of you. My name is Porosh, and I don't need to tell lots of information about me because I know you guys know me very well, and I don't know how it feels to give the introduction in every single video. From my point of view, it seems to me it's just like a repetition, and I don't like it. And today, my friend Sakib and I have come to Naranganj railway station, and this place is very beautiful. And this place is not only beautiful but also historic. And today we have come here with some purposes. And if I tell you why we have come here in order to enjoy our beautiful morning time. We want to explore the station, and I want to make some videos, and most importantly I want to learn English practically. Okay, so in this video I will show you how I describe places in English, and hopefully this will inspire you to make English videos, and also it will inspire you to learn English. Okay, so at first I will tell you something about the station, and then I will tell you how you can practice your spoken English and how can you describe such places like this. Okay, and okay, so let's talk about this environment and the station. Okay, so Naranganj railway station, it's located in the heart of city. It's a very beautiful place, and it's located beside river Shitolokha. If I show you on my right, there is the river Shitolokha available, but at this moment I can't show you because there are some buildings available over there, and there is a fish market also available. Over there, but I'm not being able to show you from here. But okay, in the next time maybe I will try to show you the fish market. And if I talk about the station has one platform, as you can see, look at my behind. And as it's morning time, that's why the station looks empty, and the train had left the station few minutes earlier. And I'm fond of train journey. I really enjoy train journey. So whenever I go to my native area Sunamganj, that time at first I go Naranganj to Dhaka, and then I go Dhaka to Sunamganj. So that's why I really like train journey very much. And it's when I was young, that time it was dream for me that one day I will have a train journey. But nowadays I often take train journey. I go Naranganj to Dhaka, and I am a student of Naranganj University College, and from here I can see our academic building. I'm not sure you are being able or not because my camera quality is not good to show you this. But as I am a student of Naranganj University College, so after completing my college, sometimes I come to Naranganj station. But I mostly prefer to spend my time at Pachnambar Ghat, which is not far away from here. It will take 5 minutes if I want to go Pachnambar Ghat. Okay, so yes, and if I talk about the environment, as you can see, it's very calm and cool environment here. I can see there are some shops available, and some people are roaming here, and maybe some people are also waiting for their train. But maybe after an hour, then our train will come because the train just left the station. So this is the thing. And if I talk about this site's environment, I mean, there is no people. It's morning time, and it's a beautiful shiny day. As you can see, sun is shining like a gold, and I really enjoy this kind of beautiful shiny day. So this is the thing. And now the question is how you can describe places like this. When when you are in this kind of place, try to describe the places in your own words. It doesn't matter if you make any mistakes, because when you are learning something new, it's quite common and it's very normal to make some mistakes. And I also make mistakes when I try to describe places, because when I make this kind of video, I have no preparation before, and I don't have any time to take any preparation. That's why I have to make video immediately. That's why maybe I make some mistakes. But if I had a good preparation, then I could make a good video. Like if I have a good preparation, then of course I will make a good video. So that is the thing. And when you are in this kind of place, try to describe the places in your own words. Try to use some words like, okay, so now I can give you some example. Like I can use the word big because the station looks big, and the environment here looks energetic, and the environment is vibrant. So you can use this kind of words if you want to describe this kind of place. And it's really a great way to improve our spoken English. When you are learning English practically, it will help you to make sentence instantly, and why it's really we need, because when we make conversation with others, we do not get enough time to think. We have to reply them immediately. That's why we can't get enough time to think. But when you are practicing your spoken English in this way, it will help you to boost your confidence. It will help you to make sentence immediately. That's really we all need. Yes. All right. And I am really passionate about learning English, and I have been making videos for quite some time, and it gives me joy. I always say this. I always say it because it's true thing, and I really enjoy this kind of thing. So that is the reason, and I mostly prefer the morning time for practicing my spoken English, because in the morning I can enjoy my beautiful time, I can enjoy natural beauty, and also I can practice my spoken English. And I always try to visit some new places so that I can show you the beauty of that place, and I also can tell something about the place. Yes. So as you can see, this is the overall view of the station, and my friend Sakib is standing here, and I truly thankful to him, because none of my friends are interested to come with me in the morning, but Sakib, I mean except Sakib. Whenever I tell him that, friend, I want to go somewhere, would you like to come with me? And that, okay, it's fine. So that's why I truly thankful to him. Yes, but it's really difficult for me when I go outside in the morning, because as I live in a city, so it's not safe in the morning. Yeah, that's why I need someone. But I mean, most of the in some cases we need someone for to improve ourselves, but I think we don't need anyone to improve ourselves. If we have a vision, if we have some goals, then of course we will be able to improve ourselves by our, I mean, alone. We don't need anyone, and I don't need anyone to improve myself. But in some cases we need some people in our life to with us. Yeah, that is the thing. So yes, if you want, you can also learn English practically like this way. It's a great way to improve ourselves, and it's a great way to describe new places. So, and I always try to do it. I always try to do it. I have been doing it from when I started my journey. So yeah, that's a great thing, and I will try to upload this video to our college group, because we have a group. We have two groups. I mean, in our college, and I will try to share my videos to those groups, and hopefully my college, how can I tell you, my college classmates will feel inspired after watching my video, and maybe they will start their English journey, because English is really very important for our life, and it's a highway to success. Yes, if you know English, if you can speak English, if you know the benefits of English, then you will do so many good things in your life. And I strongly believe that we all together can do this. If I can speak English, if I can make video, then why not you? So just think like me, and think about your future, think about your current position, and that will really a good thing for you. Okay, so that's all for today. I don't want to make it more longer. I think it's time to go somewhere in order to take our breakfast, because I promised Sakib that after completing my video, I will give you a treat. So now it's time to give him a treat. All right, so let's go somewhere and let's enjoy our beautiful breakfast. Okay, so that's all about today.